respiration. So what do you mean by respiration, Tanmay? What do you mean by respiration?
Respiration is a process by which living organism take in
Oxygen and then
breathe out carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. So it's a process of respiration. Can you on it fast, children? Okay. Okay, children. So last class we were discussing. Can you name the two types of respiration?
Aerobic respiration.
Aerobic respiration and
Anaerobic respiration.
Okay. Shall we now go to that once again because we could not complete it. So we are moving to that. Clear? Okay. Lakshmi, others, everyone muted, please. Lakshmi, what do you mean by aerobic respiration?
Aerobic respiration. There is the process. The respiration process which takes place in the presence of oxygen through breakdown of food is called aerobic respiration.
Okay, so that is the aerobic respiration. Okay, this one, Abhinand Krishna, what do you mean by anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration.
Ma'am, it is a absence of oxygen, the breakdown of food.
Okay, so that is anaerobic respiration. Okay, so now we are moving on to the further differences between aerobic and anaerobic. Okay, children. So first one we already know, that is it's the breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen. Food means it is the glucose. See, after digestion, all the food will be converted into carbohydrates, proteins, fatty acid, amino acids. And these all food will be turned into in the form of a glucose. So actually, respiration time, more than these components, it is the glucose which is breaking down. Okay, so if you don't digest properly, the food, then this glucose get accumulated. That is what some of the people will get diabetes. Okay, so diabetes is the more content of glucose which require in our body. So even you take respiration, everything, glucose completely cannot break down. Suppose if you are a normal person, everything will be normal. But once this all the food nutrients turn into in the form of glucose, and it will be absorbed by the cells. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins, everything will be absorbed by the cell in the form of glucose content. And if you have more than that glucose content, you prone to diabetic patients. So that is what. So when you say breakdown of food, actually it is the glucose which is breaking down. Okay, so please remember that difference. So now for second difference we already told. Once again I say, in the case of aerobic respiration, after that what we release it, carbon dioxide and the water. But anaerobic respiration, it is lactic acid or carbon dioxide, mainly lactic acid and alcohol. So that is what, while you run, while you do the cycling, what will happen? Your body sweat. So our muscles will, when you do some extra activity like that, only through breathing, we cannot get enough energy. We cannot release the energy when you breathing. Okay. So your muscles, while you start running for a race, while you do cycling, what happened? Only with the breathing you cannot get enough energy. Then your muscles started doing respiration in the form of anaerobic respiration. So your muscles in your body get undergo respiration, or it respire, then you will get high amount of energy. So when you do some play, when you go to basketball, when you play football, you need to produce excess of energy in order to play. So that is what we call stamina. Stamina we call. So some of you have Horlicks, Boost and all, so that to that get extra energy to be released artificially. Okay, so these are contained. What?
Ma'am, Melina told that she have a network issue, so that she cannot attend the class.
Yeah, okay.
I got the net back. I never got the net back.
Okay. I just admitted Emelina. Okay, I think she's in. So that is the reason. So actually when you have Horlicks and Boost, what they are doing. The companies are just injecting you extra chemicals which require to have an extra energy. It is not natural. It's a chemical energy which is giving us. So every time they say, well, Horlicks is good, Boost is good, but there's a limit to everyone. If you want to grow up like fat, like something, then you can have Horlicks and all. But you see, all these things are not natural. It is a powder which is mixed with a lot of chemicals which give you flavor, chocolate flavor, which will give you strawberry flavor, which will give you the pizza flavor, badam flavor. So many different type of flavor is there. So just imagine that they are not pure. It is only artificial chemical content is putting in your tin. That's it. So lactic acid, and I said your sweat will have a severe smell. Yeah, some of the people after the cycling, you cannot go near them because their sweat have a very bad smell, some of them. So the reason is that they must have produced enormous alcohol and lactic acid. So lactic acid, usually lactic acid in which food content we see? Because we have already learned, no?
Curd.
Curd. So you see the curd and the milk, when it started spoiling, you get a bad smell, correct? Sometimes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is why the sweat, sometimes the sweat will have some kind of bad smell. Yeah. So this is the reason. Okay. Curd is good for our body. It's okay. But sometimes the curd which is spoiled, milk which is not curd at all, have a severe bad smell because of. So lactic acid, alcohol is the one which gives you smell. So it is not whiskey or brandy, some kind of content in your body. Okay, don't think your sweat is a whiskey or brandy. It is not the mean. Alcohol is a chemical content which is mixed in water and some other substances make whiskey and brandy. So, but we call all whiskey, brandy, toddy, all are alcohols. It's a general name, but it is not only alcohol. We add in that spirit. We add some kind of I heard it recently during the Corona time. So the police people catch hold of so many people, those who are making bad toddy. So Toda, we call it Toda. So while they went to
Newspaper, it is there, ma'am.
it was there. But if you read that newspaper, you will never drink that toddy or toddy, no, that Toda, Charayam, no. You will never drink. What they are putting in that spoiled vegetables, some kind cockroaches, some battery pieces. Battery pieces, some kind of poisonous. Yeah, some kind of poisonous creatures. Why? Those creatures body some kind of liquid is there that will give you kick on the people. So that
Yes, ma'am. In cockroach, one sticky type become.
sticky time. So they put cockroach in that. They say battery. They break the battery, the old battery, break into pieces. In that some chemical content is lead or something like that. They mix with it and they boil it. And they
Battery thing I know. Battery.
They add spirit into it. They add spirit into it. And then that is how they make whiskey and brandy. Okay. So the people, those who are too much alcoholic, they die afterwards. Liver cirrhosis, some kind of kidney failure. This is the reason why they die, because of this drinking.
Liver cancer.
Liver cancer, liver cirrhosis, stomach cancer. Then we have kidney failure, heart failure. All people, those are smoking and drinking will die if they don't control their drink. You can have once in a while, not every time. Yeah, that's it. You understood why it is too dangerous for us. Okay. Now, third one, it takes a long time to release energy. That means respiration process is a long process. While you know the muscle, suddenly while you start doing some action, your muscles start undergo anaerobic. It is a fast process. So anaerobic respiration is a fast process. Then respiration, it produces large amount of energy. Anaerobic, it produces less amount of energy, but sometimes this energy may not sufficient for us to do. That is why it will be added into the anaerobic respiration. So as a normal person, when you simply sit and study, you simply does your normal work, getting up, washing, sweeping, something like that. that kind of respiration, normal respiration is enough because it is giving sufficient energy. But when you started running, cycling, doing exercise, going to gym, so it is all require, apart from that, we require some more energy that will be given by anaerobic respiration. So usually aerobic respiration taking place in plants and animals, while anaerobic respiration takes place in yeast, bacteria, human muscle cells. All these are anaerobic. So that is the reason yeast, you know the yeast. Once you come, put in the water, yeast comes up.
Yes.
Ah.
It become.
So yeast is a microorganism. Yeast is a single microorganism.
Ma'am, with the yeast, something of yeast only we are making alcohol.
Yes, yeast also put for what?
We
To-
put in our some food
Ah.
and also becoming.
that is
Pizza.
appam. Yeah, appam.
Ah.
Appam we put yeast. That's why sometimes appam get a little smell of some toddy
Yeast.
smell you get. Sometimes olden times our mothers used to put toddy in the appam. They, instead of yeast, yeast is artificial, no? So
Kallapam.
Kallapam. That is kallapam. So olden times what they do means instead of
like that.
yeast, we put 1 glass of toddy. So that appam become very soft. It is very
For
tasty.
making what type we will make.
What tepam and all that. Okay, but toddy is okay. Toddy means we are getting from coconut, no? So that is why. But some of the toddies, they mix some artificial in order to increase the content. So toddy means it is we are getting from the coconut. That's why we are using in the appam. But we don't use brandy in the appam to make. Correct? Yeah.
Ma'am, energy drinks, you know.
Yeah.
Energy
But
drinks.
you see, some foreign chocolate, they put spirit into it. Have you eaten that kind of dark chocolates?
Yes.
Yes.
For cake also they pour
Ah.
beer in that. Beer
Cake also they put beer.
With
Cake.
chocolate.
So you will get a little more, what do you call, one kind of bitter taste in that cake. So Europeans, they add beer
Yes.
into the cake. And
Instead of
some
milk, they
chocolates.
pour beer.
Yeah, some chocolates you get. That is America, Germany people, they used to make chocolates. Adding with the chocolate, they add some beer into it. And that also very tasty, but little more bitterish. Okay. So that kind of things are there. So it is good a particular extent, but more than that, it is not enough. And
Ma'am, in making of pizza dough we use.
pizza they use.
Yes.
Yeah. So all that.
So
Clear?
many things are there.
So many things. Yes. Now this is the picture. How does animal cells? So this is the cell of the yeast. We just talking about yeast is a microorganism. Now look at. While you look at the yeast, it is like a small powder or small ball like. But inside the yeast, you just see how many things are there. So this is the cell of the yeast. Okay. It also have cytoplasm, nucleus and all.
Just like humans. Sir.
Just like a human, because it is a microorganism. Now, in the topmost, what I have written, this is what is happening in a aerobic respiration. Those who do aerobic respiration, we call it aerobes. So aerobes, what is the, you can just summarize that entire respiration this way. That is glucose turn into, with the use of oxygen, it will be carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. So this is what is happening in the aerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration, we can summarize with this single equation or chemical equation. That is glucose turn into, with the use of oxygen, it turn carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. And down I have written anaerobes, what is end products. So same glucose without the use of oxygen, alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Some side we can also add lactic acid. Okay, lactic acid also. So alcohol, or we can just add here alcohol, lactic acid plus carbon dioxide plus energy. So this is what is happening in anaerobic respiration. We can represent in a single equation. Okay, yeah. Now we are going to detail what happened when you do anaerobic respiration in humans. What does you do? So that's what all. Is it recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I always forget that. Yes. Okay. Anaerobic respiration in humans. These are the important points. That is, it takes place through muscles. So where anaerobic respiration takes place in humans? Muscles. So it's for MCQ. MCQ, in which part anaerobic respiration takes place? So your answer should be muscles. And how much time it takes place? It's in short time.
Short time.
Because once you do the cycling, once you do run, that is the time it takes place. When we do any heavy action, when it takes place, this is what, in which part it takes place. Second point, how long or how much time it takes place. Third time, when it takes place. That means when we do any heavy action, such as running, plowing means field, no, paddy fields, playing, cycling, etc. Or heavy lifting. Suppose you are lifting a heavy luggage or box or something, or you are shifting the furnitures. That is the time also we sweat, correct? So that is the any action, that is the time our muscles start doing anaerobic respiration. At now, it doesn't do, because you are not doing any very hard activity. But once you do heavy activity, your muscles start to do anaerobic. And again, repeat, takes place in muscle. So it is through the muscle, and it also takes place in muscle cells. So the muscle also have a cell, in that it takes place. And why anaerobic respiration required for us? Demand of energy high. During the actions, during the heavy action, we require a high energy. That is why. Okay. Then supply of oxygen. So why it is required? Because during that action, through breathing, the supply of oxygen, we may not get enough. So we don't get enough of supply of oxygen. That is what we require the anaerobic respiration. Okay. So every point has a meaning. Anaerobic respiration takes place in humans through muscles, takes place in muscle cells. It takes short time. These are the features of anaerobic in human. Then when we do any heavy action, it takes place. Why it's required? Because demand of energy is high during the heavy actions, and the supply of oxygen also require when we do the heavy. Okay. So this is the chemical action or chemical equation. Glucose in muscle. So the glucose which is in the muscles, every part of the body is absorbed in the form of glucose by the small intestine. Proteins, carbohydrates, everything is absorbed in the form of glucose. So glucose in the absence of oxygen, lactic acid plus energy. Lactic acid plus energy. Sometimes is it acidic? Sometimes your sweat is acidic, and sometimes because of the smell it become alcoholic also. Okay. So by nature sweat is acid, but by smell, due to some smell, it become a chemical change also. So sweating is both physical and chemical change. Physical change means you started sweating, you produce acid, lactic acid. That the water of sweat, the taste is little bit acidic, but the smell is alcoholic. So these are the both things. Clear? So we have already covered aerobic respiration in humans and anaerobic respiration in humans. Now let us, yes.
I didn't understand the yeast, right? You're saying about yeast.
Yeah, yeast. Yeast, what is there? Yeast, in that, how does anaerobic respiration taking place? That means without the use of oxygen, what will happen? Glucose turn into alcohol, carbon dioxide, and energy. So this is yeast. Okay. So this is the cell of an yeast cell. So yeast is a microorganism. It also do respiration anaerobically. That's it. Nothing more detail. I'm just showed you how is the yeast cell look like.
Ma'am, in aerobics also, right?
Yeast.
Yes, ma'am. Can you show the first one?
First one. Okay. This one?
Not that, ma'am. Can you show that picture fully, completely?
This picture?
No, the yeast.
Yeast picture. Okay, I just scroll down. Okay, 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am, in the first one.
First. Oh. Okay. 1 minute. Can you see it? This one only you wanted. Yeah, chemical equation. Okay. So this is aerobes. Aerobes. How does the chemical equation? Glucose turn into, with use of oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, down anaerobes. Anaerobes, the chemical equation, glucose turn into alcohol, carbon dioxide plus energy, sometimes lactic acid. Okay, can we change again? 1 minute, children. Okay, shall I change the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So this is over. Do you want this? This is in muscles. What happens? What is produced? Glucose in the absence of oxygen, lactic acid plus energy. Alcohol also you can include it if you want, because alcohol only gives the smell, because it's a chemical base. It is a base. Alcohol is a base. Lactic acid is acid.
Ma'am.
Yes. Now we are moving detail about breathing and the parts. Yes. Someone is saying something. Who is that? Hello. Someone was asking me something. Who was that?
Amal.
Amal. Amal, what's the matter? Tell me. Huh?
Ma'am, I was asking, are you taking attendance?
Attendance I usually take. I know those are present. After the class, I used to mark everyone. So today, I think majority are present. Yeah? That is 35, but out of 44, still less. Last week, I got, I think, 20. 20 about. 5 minutes before I will take. So now up to 11:30 is the class, no? So I will take that time.
Ma'am, ma'am, we should never breathe pure oxygen, right?
Yes. But nowadays our air is polluted. So nowadays we also breathe with the oxygen some kind of bad old gases also. That's why we are having respiratory process. Sometimes nitrogen oxide you may breathe it. That is because our air is polluted because of these vehicles and all. But due to corona, little less nowadays, because so many people or industries not working. And you see
so
there
many
are
factors.
so many factories are not closed. They closed it. Some people lost the job, but still the climate, everything is now little better than before.
Usual.
Usual. So even you can see in European countries, dolphins and so many species are coming to the city.
City and in
City
the road and
road and all without any problem. Even in Kerala, Kerala peacocks are just moving.
yes, ma'am. In my house, one peacock and 3 babies.
Because now they know that we are harmless. Usually what they do before and all, when peacock comes, lot of
We shoot and eat.
vehicles we will shoot and eat. Now no one is doing that. Vehicles will be coming, and so they have no free space to move on.
Many wild animals also.
Yeah, wild animals also. There is a positivity is there at the same time.
Every time polar bear is coming.
Yeah, positivity is there, but at the same time, like human being, our life become little more difficult because we are fully depending upon artificial industry. Instead of that, if you go to the field, become farmer, you can get a lot of money. You know, due to corona,
Yes, everybody starting vegetable shops.
vegetables, fish shop, everyone.
Yes.
So two industry has got high money. That is, one is our farming, mask. Other one is
PPT.
our Ambani, Jio.
Ma'am, Gio, then not sanitizer.
Sanitizer,
And also,
medicine.
and also
YouTube channels are getting very money.
YouTube channels means what is that is what that is
From
what
YouTube, we will get it.
that is what
Everybody is in YouTube.
Jelly Crainer.
See, some of you are using YouTube channel. Did you get the payment for it?
No, ma'am. Now
No?
and on we won't get when we have high.
High subscribers.
No,
When we got 1,000
that
subscribers
is
and all.
what I'm asking. Is there some likes are there? You got anyone got more than 100 likes?
2 likes. Ma'am, almost 500 likes.
Okay. So increase your like. Okay.
No one is supporting, ma'am.
No one is support. There should be some substance in that. It's not that. There should be some substance in that. Simple thing. If you show so many
Something unique.
something unique.
2.5
Nowadays, everybody is in YouTube. That's why nobody is
Not only that. Something unique should be there. Something different from others.
Yes.
Then only. Okay, children. Shall we go back to class now? So we are moving on to next one about your breathing. What is breathing? And then we are coming to lungs and all. So I will do one activity for everyone. Let me check. Everyone, close your nose, close your mouth. Don't leave the air. Close mouth and don't take breath. Just see how
Ma'am,
much time. How much
It
time?
will be blocked, right?
Please, all of you leave the hands. I will give the time. That time you should start. We will do the activity. We will do the activity that how much time you can stay without breathing. Okay. So now 12:25. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Don't die. Gauri out. Ayan out. Gogu Krishna out. Vishal out. Ishal out. Amna out.
not closing his mouth.
Prachita out. Tanmay out. Everyone out. Only Amal Anthony surviving. Carlin Matthew, Isa, Shifana, Aditya breathing in between.
The lungs is moving.
Okay, stop it. All of you stop. Amal, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, everyone. Okay.
I don't want a deep breath, Sandhu.
You already breathed through mouth. You only closed the nose. You did not close your mouth. So you are
I close.
Aditya. Okay. Okay. Let me ask Amal.
We are not getting breath.
What was your feeling?
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute.
Amal was not doing it.
Amal, 50 seconds.
Mouth was open.
Okay, I asked Isa. Isa, what was your experience? Because she was closing her heart tight. You're about to die, yeah? Isa.
It was like our whole body was stuck.
Our whole body. Aditya, now keep quiet. Our whole body stuck. Carlin, share the experience.
Ma'am, when I catch for some time itself, it was very tough to catch.
Tough to catch. Okay, Pranavatmak, I saw Pranavatmak also continuing till end. Tell me.
Mama, you also.
He also was confused.
It was very tough.
It was really tough.
That
That
we
means
get laugh, we will get to.
so sometimes
We are
you
not
get
getting
heart
breath.
attack. You did not get breath, you will get heart attack. That's why I told to stop.
But I don't believe in that, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because very hard to die.
Very hard to die. There are some miracles are there. There are 7 days. Those are under the debris of a one called earthquake. You know, somewhere we have got news like that. There was one person. He was 4 days under that building which was already collapsed, and he lived alive. So there will be some kind of miracle. You can survive sometimes, maybe through the muscles. As we said, we can do anaerobic. You can. So that, yeah. Okay. That, now everyone mute it. Everyone mute it. So before we winding up, we just learn how much time you can have a breathing once in a day. So breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs. That's the example. That's the unit. That's the definition of breathing. What is inhalation and exhalation? Everyone knows. Once again, we are taking the taking in of air rich in oxygen to the body, inhalation, giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide, exhalation. Now, what is the breathing rate? You said that, ma'am, we could not resist. The reason that the number of times a person breathes in a minute. So in 1 minute, how much times you breathe? So that is known as breathing rate. In 1 minute, how much time you breathe? So that is known as breathing rate. Okay, a normal person can breathe up to 15 to 18 times in 1 minute. 15 to 18 times. Okay, so as a normal person, 15 to 18 times. And if you do exercise, your breathing rate will be high. You may 1 minute you may breathe in by 25 times. So normal person, normal time in 1 minute you breathe in 15 to 18 times. But if you do some exercise, you will do 25 times. So that is
5 to
rate.
75 times.
Yeah. So the number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as the breathing rate. A breath means 1 inhalation plus 1 exhalation is 1 breath. You don't say inhalation alone is a 1 breath. We have to say both together. 1 breathe in, 1 breathe out. It becomes 1 breath. Okay. So that's about the breathing rate. Let us now wind up today's session for you.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
when we catch breath, our heart will beat fast.
So our pulse rate is different, breathing rate is different. Okay. So don't get confused with pulse rate as well as the breath rate. Breath rate is different, pulse rate. Our pulse rate is 72 times in a pulse. Okay. But breath rate is 52. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So shall we take attendance now?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
How many are there? Let me go back to see. Now 40. Beginning there was less. Nesreen?
Ma'am, now only 35. Now
Now
34.
But 33
34.
students.
33 students. Okay. Abhinand? Amna, Shirin? Where is your book is not here?
Mama Adityan.
Aditya, everyone knows. Abhinand, Krishna, Gogul, Parvati, Prachita, Lakshmi, Carlin, Matthew, Esna.
Amal.
Ma'am, Hessa.
Hessa, Vaishnavi, Uma Parvati. Uma Parvati. 1 minute.
Vaishnavi.
Parthiv.
There are other class students are joining, I think so. Abhinav, Adityan, Vijay, Ahmad, Afin, Illa, Isa, Johan, Lakshmi, Milan, Misya, Rudra.
Ma'am, they are all in our classroom.
There are some students are there, no? Johan is present today. Okay, good. Abhinav, Bijoy, Adityan, A.S. Sriram. Okay, children. So total 42 students. Okay. So we'll winding up the session.
Thank you.